you who may be watching the replay later, I'm usually live on Twitch, so make sure to check me out here. So let's see what we have. Goal. Defeat the ogres. Use distance 2, okay, to find the range to each enemy, and use say to call the range for your artillery. Then sit back and watch the fireworks.
Honesty.
So, looks like we have 4. We have. Where's the third enemy? Okay, we have 1, 2 enemies, and then there's a friend. Okay, sure. So it looks like we initialized the enemy, and it looks like their name is Gort. We assigned it rather to Gort. Who's Gort? I guess one of them. The distance is whatever the distance is to them, and then that's okay. Cool. Ran out of time. I didn't even do anything. Okay, so we're gonna hero say instead of calling their name, we're gonna do distance 2, because that's that variable. We're not gonna hit our friend Charles. And then we need to find the last one. So for enemy 4, which is weird to me, it should be enemy 3 because there's only 3 enemies or whatever. We're gonna do distance. Let's just do 4 to keep it consistent. Hero. Distance 2. Enemy 4. And then we're gonna say distance, which is 4, the distance to where the enemy is. So let's try this.
Novelty. Novelty.